How to disable Game Booster permanently in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, go back to the main page and search here Game Booster. Now click on Game Booster settings and then scroll down and click on About Game Booster, and then on top right corner you can see the info icon. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on storage, and now click on clear data. Now click on delete. After clear data, it will permanently disable Game Booster. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.